Are you struggling to find a pip install for PySide2? You're not alone. Many developers have faced this challenge, especially when they want to avoid the hassle of compiling from source. Today, we're going to help you find a solution. I totally get it. It's 2017, and the last thing you want is to spend hours trying to compile code when you could be working on your project. It can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, right? You're definitely not the only one feeling this way. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Where can I find a pip install for PySide2?" They expressed frustration over not finding any binaries or site packages available online, especially with the VFX industry moving towards PySide2. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, why is this happening? The issue often lies in the availability of pre-built binaries for certain packages, especially for specific platforms like Windows. We'll break down how to find what you need without the headache of compiling it yourself. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that could save you time and frustration when dealing with Python packages. To begin, the user should ensure that they have Python installed on their system. This is essential for using pip to install PySide2. Next, the user needs to open the command prompt. This is where they will enter the command to install PySide2 using pip. Now the user can install PySide2 by typing the command pip install PySide2 in the command prompt. This will download and install the package automatically. After the installation completes, the user should verify that PySide2 was installed correctly. They can do this by running a simple Python script. Finally, if the user encounters any issues during installation, they can check the official PySide2 documentation or community forums for troubleshooting tips. Fun fact, did you know that PySide2 is the official set of Python bindings for the Qt libraries? It's widely used in the industry, especially for creating cross-platform applications, so you're definitely on the right track. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution comes from Frederick Averpil, who has created wheels for PySide2. You can find these wheels built with Qt 5.6 on his GitHub page. Additionally, Claudius Hansch offers a wheel using Qt 5.9. Remember to set the Qt UPA platform plugin path environment variable as described in the GitHub issues, or create a qt.conf file in your Python executables folder with specific paths. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution has been provided by another user. They mentioned that PySide2 is now available on PyPI. You can easily install it using the command pip install PySide2. This works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Let's take a look at another answer from another user. One user shares their experience with installing PySide2 on Windows. They mentioned that installing via pip didn't work for them. Instead, they downloaded the wheel file directly from the official Qt website and successfully installed it. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always check community forums and discussions. Often, other developers share their solutions and resources that can save you a lot of time. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to find a pip install for PySide2 without the headache of compiling from source. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Python development.